Sa office ng Ombudsman, nakapag-refer na ang ng reklamo ang DPWH galing sa dahil sa mga irregularidad sa
More fruity galing sa Milked Egg, plus 10 vitamins at iron.
Sarap! Focus na ako sa pag-aaral at sa sports.
Tawag. Oo, dito. Hindi siya paakit eh. Hindi mo siya papakit. Walang problema. Importanteng witness yun. Talaga, iniisip ako. 2 oras na lang kasi. Pa-out na ako eh. Kung gusto mo.
Haring Dragon! Kamusta po?
Kontado pala yung utak mo.
Dapat ang pagkarimal.
Aba, hindi naman siguro po pwede
For bright skin in 5 days, Nivea is for skin.
Para sa mga siksikan. Buhay. Kaya sa tuwing may umaalis, laging may kapalit na darating. Handa ka na ba sa close encounter? Something beautiful back to life.
7 months. Only 7 months.
The next hearing. Nevertheless, I understand that the other resource persons are...
But I can trip on that. I think
Mami, pag hinahapos ako sa dibdib ko, magaan ang...
Princess, it's time from the back row.
And this is Alien May.
Alert for fast release mula sa paradong ilong and...
Let's go!
Back for the heat waves right now. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat. See you after.
This story in Isabel's house. I am a little bit... So just forget about them. This is the toolbox in your hand. Bottles are placed into the pot with alcohol. Using steam, the alcohol and botanicals are heated until the alcohol boils and tastes.
Asa panawagan ng Star Magic na walang ganoong sinabi si Catherine at huwag maniwala sa kumakalat na post na nawagan din ng Star...
Are you ready for story-filled dreams, Joan? And of course, suspense. A young girl with big dreams, and like all dreamers, she's about to escape her...
Drive on or go to Lazada and Shopee. As a poet, it was a beautiful, beautiful experience. So, it's just my opinion. I hope about my Jamaican identity was on display. Like I was.
It's really, really hard for me to reconcile within myself the desires I had and the truth that I knew. So.
Rip Horns!
latest song?
How his issues unfold in real life. Diba? How maintindihan at na-explain yan. Ibigilo namin mga kaibigan, mga taga-subaybay. Hindi po matutugunan ang isang kung siya po ay irresponsable. Ay irresponsable. Kaya